All right, so today I'm gonna do a home decor haul. I have stuff from Homegoods, some online stuff, Amazon, just random places. I'm kind of like putting the final touches on my new apartment. I've been doing moving vlogs. I have an empty apartment tour, so I'll link all of the apartment related content down below in the description box. This is kind of like a collective haul, but there's some really cool things in here that I found that I'm excited to share with you guys. So hopefully if you're moving, it gives you some ideas, or if you just like, I don't know, home videos, moving content you enjoy. Let's get into it. If you enjoy this video while you're watching, you can give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, you can subscribe if you want to hang out. Let's get into it. Okay, so let's start off with Homegoods. I only went into Homegoods because I had to return a rug by a certain date, and then it ended up being like totally empty in the store. Like I think I literally saw one other person, so I was like, okay, I feel comfortable with walking around a little bit, you know? Found these super cute pans. So my whole thing is the pans I have right now are a little bit too heavy for me, like to hold, and they're also just a bit old and worn down. So I just wanted to pick up a couple pans, and I also got ones in shapes that I don't have yet. So this one is like the perfect size for what I would use for cooking. Like this is good for me because it's really light. This is from the brand D&W, Deanna White. But look at this, it's like speckled on the inside and then has this like soft rubber kind of lid, but then it has this dark like faux wood kind of handle, which I thought was so cute. This one that goes with it, this was in the same collection, but this one, oh my god, look at the side of this. So freaking cool. I've never seen a pan like this. This one also has the wood handle, but it's like a cool toned, almost like grayish kind of wood. I don't have any kind of pan that's like this depth, you know? My boyfriend is the chef. He was with me in Homegoods and he said that this would be very useful for his cooking, so. Both of these are non-stick pans. If they're not non-stick, I don't mess with them, okay? Okay, so my next project is my bedroom, because my bedroom is like half done right now. Because my Christmas tree has been in there, I didn't like put the nightstand and decorate a nightstand and stuff in there yet. And then I'm also waiting on a piece for above my bed to come in. So I picked up a few things so that I can put the nightstand in there and like get that all done basically. So I got this lamp, which I think is gonna be perfect. This was $19.99 and it has a USB charging port on the side, which is really cool. So you can just plug your phone straight in there. And I love the gray, this tone of gray with like this gold. And I just think on my black nightstand, this is gonna look perfect against I have a black duvet and then the wall is white. Someone on Instagram asked me about this. I genuinely don't enjoy color, you guys. It's not that I'm like, I feel like everything needs to be this to like keep up like a theme or something for my Instagram. Someone asked me about that. It's that I don't enjoy color. If I enjoyed color, I would have color in my apartment. Is that I genuinely enjoy black, white, gray, and gold. So that's why everything is those tones basically. And wood, I like woods. And that's kind of like how I warm it up. But yeah, I'm just not into color, so sorry about that. Also for the nightstand, just so you can kind of get the vibe here. So I got this candle just as like a decor piece. Like I'm not gonna light this. I just want it because it's more of like a dish almost, but it's this like matte black, really cool giant. And this was $12.99, sandalwood and tobacco. Sitting next to the lamp, it looked really nice. And then also along with that little duo right there, I picked up this frame, which I thought was super cool. This was $6.99. And I loved like the shape of this. I actually got the same one in gold as well. But I guess this one is a little bit of a different shape. This one's like more triangular, but they're from the same brand. But this one was $6.99 and I'm either gonna I'll see how they look. I might put the gold one on the nightstand if it's like too much black. I'm also gonna add some kind of plant on the nightstand to get some green in there. Okay, these are heavy. Oh man. I picked up these two massive pillows, which I love. They're like this waffle gray kind of print. These were actually like exactly what I was looking for to a T, because I wanted massive pillows in this color for behind my black, just normal pillows on my bed, because I don't have a headboard. I don't know. I just have never been into headboards really. I just always used like massive pillows that almost serve as a headboard because they just give that height behind your pillows. So that's kind of like a little hack. If you don't want to either spend the money on a headboard, or if you're not into it, don't feel a need for one, just get big pillows and put it behind there. But this with this lamp on the nightstand with the black, I think is gonna look really nice. And I've already had these on my bed and it looks really good. It looks so much better than just having the black pillows on there. And then last thing I picked up at Homegoods, I'm so stoked about, and I don't know how I've never owned one of these before because I bake lots of things in small quantities. This is just a half pan. It's called a half baking tray. It was $5.99. It's cute, it's mini, and it's basically just so you don't have to whip out like a whole tray. I'm trying to think of things I even bake. I bake onion rings a lot. I have like homemade frozen cookie dough, and if I'm just like baking 2 cookies, like one for me and my boyfriend, I usually have to whip out a whole baking tray, and I can just use the small one. So I don't know, I think these are so cute. Dishwasher safe. That's what I like to hear, people. So next is this pour over, let me not break this, beautiful coffee contraption. So this I found on Amazon, and I actually got this for half off. So if you are clicking the link below and it's full price, don't buy for full price, because I've noticed, I've checked the link back a few times, and I've noticed that they always do half off or like coupons for this product. It is a new product, and I think that's probably why they're doing like so many sales on it. But how beautiful is this pour over? It looks so nice, like sitting back. I keep it on the counter over there. It's not ideal if you're trying to make coffee for like a ton of people, because this pot is pretty small, but if you're just making coffee for you, it's great. This comes out so you can wash this part out. You can either use a paper filter, but I just use this and reuse it. This is very thin, so just an FYI, be careful, like don't throw this in the dishwasher or it will break. If you saw in my last, or one of my last moving vlogs, I talked about the coffee pot saga. Just to follow up on that real quick, so many of you were like, whoa, how do you drink 205-degree coffee? So it is confirmed that machine definitely does not come out at 205. It comes out, we actually measured it at 137. So that's why it was like lukewarm. It wasn't a dud. I tried it again. That's just how they roll. So I switched to the old pour over. I'm very happy now. And it also looks cute. So, and it's way cheaper, like way cheaper. Next up, I have some stuff from Umbra. So this video is not sponsored, but Umbra did let me pick out some items for my apartment, which was very kind of them. And I'm very excited because Umbra is the brand that is my jewelry, the white and gold jewelry organizer that you guys have seen in a bunch of videos that I've had for, I think like 4 years now. You can get Umbra on Amazon or on their website. This shower caddy is so friggin' beautiful. It's like a modern looking shower caddy, which I feel like I've never seen before. So I'm hoping this is gonna fit over my shower head, because mine is like very curved. Like I tried another shower caddy, the one I had in my old place, and it just slid right off. But this one looks like it has a really good rubbery kind of grip on it right here. So I am hoping that this is gonna stay on. I had my eye on this exact bath caddy on Amazon for a while now, so I'm very excited to have it in my life. But you can put your iPad on here. There's like a stand that goes up, or if you read, you could put your book or Kindle or whatever, and then you can put your wine glass, phone. I've never had a bath caddy. This is the first time I've had a bath here, so it's very exciting. This is so cute. The only thing is I've been killing every plant, exhibit A, in this place. I don't know if there's like too much sunlight coming in. I don't know what I'm doing, you guys. I need to figure it out. I have this 3 little plant hanger things. This is their Triflora hanging plant rod. They had this in a bunch of colors. You could like pick the different combos. I think they had one a black and gold, and then they have like different colors of the rods with the pots that you can choose from, which is really cool. I need photos in here. Like I desperately need photos. So I'm gonna print some out. I got those 2 photo frames from Homegoods, and then I got a couple more from Umbra that are like similar kind of style, like nice and modern looking, and black and gold. So I got this infinity one that's like circled. This one was super cool. I've never seen one like this. I might put it on my desk. But also, now that the Christmas decor, holiday decor is gone, I had like really tall tree kind of things on top of my fireplace, my fake fireplace, and those added like a really nice height. So I'm thinking I'm gonna do some kind of like frame situation on top of the fireplace, but then also add in like planters. I don't know, I need to add something high up there, because with these tall ceilings, I feel like I need some height on the fireplace. So anyways, this one is super cool. This one is a hanging one that is bigger, but look how cool that is. And their photo frames, by the way, are super affordable. I was shocked because frames can get super pricey. For how like stylish and cute these are, their frames are super affordable. And then last thing from them I got is this beautiful circular mirror that has half of it framed with this light wood that matches my flooring perfectly, which I'm so excited about because in my bedroom I have this like wood piece that my TV is sitting on. For this other wall, I wanted something to fill it up. So I think that's exactly where I'm gonna put this circle mirror, is on that other wall. Circle mirrors can be very pricey, and for the quality of this one and how big it is, I feel like it's a super good price. Should I switch to this side? Where do I stand here? Here? I don't know. So these are from Walmart. They're super affordable. I think it was 30 bucks for the full set of 4, and they're just white plastic. It came in gray too, but basically I'm gonna be putting these in my boyfriend's bathroom or like the one that he uses, because we're trying to figure out a place to put his clothes and like his toiletries and stuff. And at first we were trying to make room like in my bathroom and my closet, but then it didn't really make sense because he solely uses that bathroom, which is like in a different part of the apartment and stuff. And so I was like, why don't we just get like a set of drawers that won't get like moldy and stuff in the bathroom? Like that's why I didn't get like a fabric thing or something. And these ones fit perfectly. I measured it, looks good in the white bathroom, and he can use those for his clothes, and then any of the extra drawer space I'll use for other stuff, and he can put his like toiletries and whatever in there. So that's what we got for the bathroom. Anyone who visits too and stays over can use those too, so it'll just be like nice for people who are visiting in non-COVID times. And then the last thing I figured I would show you in this video is the giant calendar that I got for above my desk area that I'm in love with. I've actually had my eye on this since last year because I was eyeing their 2020 calendar, but it didn't quite work in my last place, just with like the sizing and like the style and stuff, but I feel like it's perfect for in here. And this is just a massive modern calendar. You can get it off Amazon. It switches between black and white for every month. So like next month it has a black page with white text, and I love it because it's actually functional. It's a calendar, like I can look at it and see the date like you do with calendars, but it's huge. It fills up the wall nicely. It's black and white. It's like modern and minimal, and I just think it's a really good way if you have like an office space with a big wall, or you're just trying to fill up the wall or whatever. I think it looks great, and it's relatively affordable for like that size of wall art. I've been kind of debating doing a desk tour. Let me know if you guys would want to see that. It wouldn't just be like showing you, but it would kind of be talking through more of some of like the techie stuff that I use, not just for like making videos, but also just kind of like my workflow and everything. So let me know if you guys would want to see that. But I feel like everything is finally coming together. I have just a couple last things for the bedroom, like the thing over the bed that you guys will see. Once it gets nicer out, I'm gonna be working on like the patio and stuff, but I'm not gonna do that for a few months, and I don't wanna do like everything all at once, you know? But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, got some ideas if you're also moving or redecorating, or just enjoyed watching. If you did enjoy today's video, you can give it a thumbs up. I just realized I didn't check to see if I had lipstick on my teeth before filming this. Hopefully not. Let's see. Oh, nope, we're good. Okay, cool. But I love you guys. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye. Oh, that didn't break. Just had a mini heart attack. I guess that's why there's rubber on the outside. Let's try that again. Sans lid.